Hi everybody, this is your news. So I thought I'd do a wee bit about just some positive comments. Now, Canis, if you didn't know about Crystal, go and check out her channel. It's amazing stuff. She does yoga in Doric and all sorts of other things like that. Wee meditations. Check it out. Amazing stuff. And she's saying she works with bairns and Ken learning bairns Doric, doing things in Doric with them. It's fit we need to be doing. It's half agreed. And Hazel's doing this and it's just, Ken, there's folk out there doing amazing things, and Ken, it's folk like this that are hidden Scots gone. So money thanks to us for doing what you're doing. And this is half agreed to hear. Money thanks to Wilney and Jules, Ken. He's both commenting my videos from time to time. And Ken, it's half agreed to hear, and this is what I thought, is Ken, anybody that ken Scots can understand Scots. Ken, there's maybe a word or twa for Edinburgh or Glasgow that I want to ken first time I hear it. I might ken it written down, but hearing it first time. Well, actually, it's probably near a truth, but I'll listen to a lot of Scots. But anyway, it's half agreed to hear that. So money thanks to us. That's enough for a wee username, fuck it, Tabor, by some G. Actually, I don't know what D negative comments, but Ken, it's our speaking about, Ken, fast sleeping and death. Nice, like, anyway, if you hadn't seen this video, check us out. The Minerichs gained to Scottish folk in England after a union of crowns is worth reading into. And if you hadn't seen Doc's channel, you hate to check it out. This makes videos, check them out. It's fitting to start it's getting more folk speaking Doric. There's hundreds of folk on TikTok that are doing it. It's amazing. But again, just on other platforms. And again, if the only thing you're listening to is English, that's failing of speaking all the time. So I just need to mark it so there's more folk are speaking Doric and English at the time. And news is just one of the things that just you only end up hearing it in English. Particularly if it's anything about science, technology, or anything like that. So that's why I'm after just to do more things in Scots. This G person, man, fits. And money thanks, Sandra. I can't fit as G person's on it be like, but. And for anybody that's after any of the merch, what you hate to do is get yourself onto your news website. You can get it from there, and that'll help just with covering our costs for hosting the website and as our things.